welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do these two tumblers. What I did was put on the left cup, the blue cup, I put resin or a layer of resin on it, and then I sprinkled the glitter on top of it. And then on the right, I kind of did the same thing, but I just coated it with glitter so that it was chunkier and that the alcohol inks, when I dripped them, that they would go out sporadically around the glitter and look more like a cow print. Once they were dry, I would take more resin, mix it up for about 5 minutes, and just put that layer of resin on top of it. And I was afraid that I would have too many layers of resin on these, but they actually turned out very nicely. Like, I just made sure that the resin or the epoxy was super duper thin. And so as I'm pouring them, I am using my spatula and just going around. I just took this very metallic-y blue, and the pink is not metallic, it's just a straight hot pink, and then the black is just a matte black. But I made very sharp, crisp lines, and these triangles kind of make it a little bit geometric, a little retro-y. I covered it with UV resin because I'm just going to go back over it with regular epoxy resin. But what I've learned with my epoxy resin is it does really well with decals. So I could have just put more epoxy resin, but again, when you're working with vinyl and a lot of layers, you really don't want to make it too thick. You want to go as thin as possible. And these are this is permanent vinyl,